Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to set the screen lock, password, pin code or pattern on your Samsung Galaxy S3. So what you have to do is unlock your phone. You need to go in the settings. Sorry, this phone is in Romanian. I'll tell you exactly what to click. Settings, device, the second tab over here, screen lock, then you select the first option and choose any of these. We're gonna select pin code. We're gonna select pin code for this video. Just enter a pin code. Don't make it easy like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, 0, 0, 0. Pick something like 2855. 2855. And that's it. Now you have a pin code set. Now if we lock your phone and we open it back up, we have to enter a pin code. Please remember the pin code, as if you forget it, we need to reset the phone and you will lose all of your data. 2855. As you can see, it works. Now to turn it off, you go in the same menu, settings, device, screen lock. You click on the first option and you type in the pin and you can disable it easily. And now if we go ahead and try to unlock it, we see it's just slide to unlock. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.